So it was a very gruesome last week with such good predictions we gave in our groups, Premium, Premium Plus, and people benefited. But we were very tired. I admit today afternoon, I was really exhausted because even yesterday I was doing my homework for this forthcoming week. So finally, I thought, let me catch some sleep. Rarely get it in the afternoon hours. So I guess around 3:30, 3:45, fell a little asleep, and I thought I'll get up and watch the ICC cricket match final. I was expecting that this match will last a whole day and it should be an exciting and nail-biting finish is what my expectation was. So by the time I got up around 4:30 or so, I realized that it was pretty much over, the match. Friends, this is not something which can be dismissed as a joke. Yes, you win some, you lose some. That does happen, but it was very poor. There were some extremely poor shots that were played. And secondly, I think the preparation for this was very little. They had very little time after the IPL. In fact, it looked like tired bodies from the IPL who had landed in London. So not to speak, I think, very highly for the Indian cricket team. They will surely come back. But for this match, I don't think they had prepared enough. They didn't appear to be well acclimatized to play. They had the experience of the past, but yet to be able to come out of the Indian surface and to face the English soil. And plus, it's the same mistake, the balls outside, moving outside the off stump. They were finding it very difficult to play that, and time and again they kept making mistakes. So, well, of course, we can sit here and analyze and speak in a retrospect, but yet the shot selection, I believe, should have been much better. Anyway, that brings an end to the ICC Test Championship for India. It was a one-off match. And India move on to many things, including the World Cup later this year. So it's going to be an exciting rest of 2023. I believe that similar thing applies to the stock markets as well. I think that the bigger action, give it some more time. Few more weeks, okay, and not yet there, but just like the World Cup round the corner, the big actions are starting shortly. Fed policy decision expected this week, but that itself is not the only thing that I have in mind. I have some series of very important events which can twist the markets in different directions. And these are the types of preparations you have to do beforehand, before the markets open tomorrow. We keep looking at the year, our calendar for the year, various events. What are the probabilities? What are the scientific basis on which we can give you the best chance? Much of the rally has been very focused in the United States on some few 4 or 5 stocks. At best, you can take 8. And this is not the rally which has got, you see the Russell 2000 gather some steam over the last few days, but generally speaking, this has not been a broad-based rally so far. Be very cautious. And based much on the artificial intelligence, AI and EV combined, I would say, the last couple of years. Okay. So when that thing can change, and I don't have any doubts about the typical advantage that AI can give, but I do have some doubts about how much should be a good valuation for AI companies. And to get to know more, friends, please do join our Prime or Prime Plus for the US markets, or the Premium or Premium Plus for the Indian markets. We'll gather, and I particularly like people who have been with us continuously for a good period of time, a year and a half and above. And those who have been with us continuously without break, they get the maximum advantage. We'll tell them when that turn That big turn is going to happen when the markets will go out of shape, and that turn will happen in such a manner, it will be global in nature, it will really shake the hell out of people. And friends, we love that, but we'll tell first, as far our mandate is concerned, to the people who have been continuously, the word continuous is very important. We like continuous. So we also understand and we can give you our best. And in return, we like thank you for your support. So friends, you can join Premium or Premium Plus for the Indian markets, Prime or Prime Plus for the US markets. Number to get in touch, 982-086-1044. Happy investing and have a great week ahead. It's going to be the Fed decision week. It's an important week, but do bear in mind that there are going to be some new factors that are going to start also coming on the horizon now very shortly in a few weeks. We'll unravel and give it to you, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.